Hello everyone, I'm Loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel Loves Vlog Stories. Today I would like to share my trip experience to Eco Beach at Kasargod, Honavar. I had never thought that one day the lonely and the long shores of Kasargod beach of Honavar will attain the status of first eco-themed beach of Karnataka. As usual, we wanted to spend some time along the shores of a beach. This time I suggested Kasargod beach as it had been a long time since I visited that beach. I was really surprised by seeing the transformation of the beach from being a simple beach to the eco beach. Boards which say the importance of nature have been put on both sides of the road which leads to the eco beach. At the entrance model of beautiful mermaids welcomed us. Entry fee is rupees 220 per head. For children aged below 3 years, it is free entry and parking is free here. The Eco Beach was developed jointly by the Tourism and Forest Department of Karnataka and Kasargod Village Forest Committee to promote ecotourism in coastal areas. The main attraction of the Kasargod beach is the large Casupedian plantation which has developed into a thick forest by the side of the beach, stretching up to few kilometers on the seashore and provides a thick green cover. After entering the Eco Beach Park area, green lawn facing the sea attracts us. The facilities near the beach are canteen, food stall, pay and use toilets, bathrooms are available for the tourists. However, littering, throwing waste, smoking, alcohol and other legal activities are prohibited in this area. To reach Eco Beach, it is just 2 kilometers after the Shiravati Bridge, Honavar, and easy to find as it is in the main road. After crossing the bridge towards Bhatkal on NH17, you can see the direction board at your right side. There are many attractions for kids. There is a big children play area with all the equipment, models of their favorite cartoon characters like Chhota Bheem can be seen here. Models of sea animals like turtle, crab, sharks, dolphins, starfish, prawns, deep sea creatures like seahorse, octopus attracts everyone. So at the Eco Beach, kids not only have fun but also get the awareness about coastal life and ecosystem. When I was a kid, collecting varieties of seashell was my hobby. I had huge collection of different size colored seashell. Eco Beach has models of these seashells too. There are attractive sitting arrangements for the people. Benches made by seashells, small huts, etc. are helpful to sit, relax and have beautiful view of the beach. There are other attractions for adults like if you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.